Honestly, I see a world where photography thrives. Gen Z is craving authenticity. They're looking for those true photographers who are capturing emotion and creating authentic moments, to the point that I've seen kids these days buying old digital cameras that still have the time and date stamp on it because they don't love AI. What they do love though is instant gratification, fast image delivery, and what we can expect: personalized edits generated instantly for each lighting scenario, AI-assisted album design, and overall faster workflow. Imagine shooting a wedding Saturday and delivering the gallery Monday without the burnout. That is the future, and the future is already here. Wedding photography is changing fast, and no, AI isn't here to replace photographers, it's here to supercharge them. Let's dive into the 5 things every wedding photographer needs to know. Let's start with the biggest time saver, and that's culling. A typical wedding yields anywhere from 2,000 to 6,000 images. Traditionally, that means hours of clicking, comparing, tagging, and second guessing, but AI culling, especially through Aftershoot, compresses this monster task into just a few minutes. Aftershoot analyzes every image, identifies the best expressions, sharpest frames, and removes the junk you'd never deliver anyways. You still remain the creative decision maker, and AI simply does the first pass so you can start from the best 20 or 30% of images. Next up, editing. AI isn't here to flatten your style or give you cookie-cutter edits. In fact, apps like Aftershoot learn your style, your tonal choices, contrast, color preference, the way you treat skin tones, even how you handle harsh ceremony lighting. You train the AI on your past galleries, and it builds your personalized editing profile. Then it applies those edits consistently to your entire wedding gallery in just minutes. You have instant style consistency, fewer late night editing marathons, and it keeps your creative brain focused on the storytelling. Now, Aftershoot isn't the only AI editing tool out there. The photography industry has been experimenting with several different platforms. It's just the one that I love best. In the wedding industry, experience is everything. Fast delivery is one of the most underrated ways to impress your clients. With Aftershoot doing your culling and baseline edits, you can deliver sneak peeks in hours, not days. Full galleries in days, not weeks. Couples remember that, they talk about that, and that talking turns it into referrals. Fast delivery is a competitive advantage, not a shortcut. Let's address the big question: will AI replace photographers? Short answer, absolutely not. AI can't direct a couple, anticipate moments, or connect with human emotion. Weddings are emotional events, and emotion needs a human behind the lens. I do think in the near future, the photography genre and the photography landscape is going to change. I think without a doubt, photography is gonna have some impacts from AI. But to that same point, I think a lot of younger kids are tired of AI already. Instantaneous is what's expected now. AI is gonna be one of those tools that can really help you grow your business. And most importantly to all of it, the one thing you have to do as a photographer, the one thing while all of this change, is remain authentic and stay creative. Those are the 2 things that are always gonna be craved: authenticity and creativity. If you're a wedding photographer, AI isn't optional anymore. It's a tool that gives you time, consistency, and a competitive edge. Try integrating Aftershoot into your workflow and watch how much more creative and less stressed your career becomes. Like, subscribe, and comment below how AI has changed your photography workflow.